Morning everyone, respected principals, sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Hansita. I am from 4th grade. Today my topic is the railway train. I like to see it like the mills and lick the wheels up and stop to feed itself at trains and then prodded step around a pile of mountain and surprise peace in Santis by the sides of road and then a quarry pay. Thank you.
Morning everyone, respected principals, sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is M. Shani. I am from 4th grade. Today my poem is Books. Books lead us into adventure to place we never been. They lift us up to the heavens and take up deep within. They show us the world wonders from the past on her today. They teach us about emotional. It it each and every way. Thank you. Morning everyone, respected principals and madam, teachers and my name is Sarika. I am from 4th grade. Today's topic is the railway station. I like to see tap the million and like to value up and it stop to feed itself and then produce steps around a vast mountain and suffers papers in a sailing by side of road and the quarrying pit. Thank you.
Dear respected principals, sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sadik. I am studying in 4th standard. Today our topic is Ashi's mission. Characters. Ashi, a young girl, Indian girl. Ashi's father, Ashi's mother, first villager, second villager. Ashi's parents and Ashi are outside their home. They are getting ready for the festival. They are carrying lights, plates of foods, and other kinds of decorations. Ashi hands a garland of marigold flowers to her father. Father, I cannot reach the top of the door. Will you help me, please? Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Ashiana. I am from 4th grade. Today my poem name is A Journey to the Moon. Lucy and Demi were very excited. Their parents had give out of an Uncle Milk and the hand competition with them. Uncle Milk was great fun. He always together of excited thing to do the last time he with them. He took them to a space museum. Have you everything? Said Uncle Mill as them two children prepare to chart the school bus. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected principals, sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Satishwa. I am from 4th grade. Today's topic name is My New Friend. It was a exciting day today. A family moving into our society. There has a boy of my age named Aruna Day, but he is also called Arun. Just like me, Arun was helping his parents. Their looked friend, but was along on one had met him
Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Vadan Yadav. I am studying in 4th standard. Today our topic is a hero. Swami used to play from school and enjoy a story for his grandmother as he only sleep by her. Sen Swami father wanted him to become shelter on everything. Swami father was reading a newspaper under the hall. Improved his reading and at about the of a village land who with whom come face to face with a tiger. The who he the tiger by chatting a tree. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahan. I studied in 4th standard. A hero to the moon. Lucy and team were very excited. Their parents had John out of town and Uncle Mike, an astronaut, had come to stay with them. Uncle Mike was great fun. He away touch of exciting thing to do. The last time he stayed with them, he took them to a space museum. Have you kept everything said Uncle Mike as the two children prepared to catch the school bus. Thank you.
Morning to respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Viyakshara from 8th grade. Today my lesson name is The Fun They Had. Margie even wrote about it the night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, Today Tommy found a real book. It was very old book. Mary's grandfathers once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and sprinkly, and it was awful funny to read words to stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know, and then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Gee, Tommy said, what is waste? Where, when you were through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I won't throw it away. Thank you.
Morning everyone, myself Shazia Begum from 8th standard. Today I am going to tell about the story of Ikkat. Bell rang for the class. The small breaks before the next class was enough for the children. They moved around and started chatting. The mandatory 5 minutes was over and the children started moving. The children started wondering, Ramya, do you think Janaki teacher is absent? Ramya, looking out of the classroom, said, How do I know? A few students were gathering. Everyone knew Ramya loved Janaki. Teacher who would them taught social studies subject. Suddenly they noticed the teacher carrying the bundle of clothes walking through the class. A few of them dashed to help her. They all liked her as she was fair to everyone and was never practiced to the student. A brilliant red and black cheeked rumels shawl with black and blue geometrical patterns caught the attention of the class as the teacher handed over material to the gathered help. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Dianani. I am studying in 8th standard. Today my lesson is the treasure within. There I was to take either French or German. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French, so I took German. Then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. Now, who would give me admission another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. So I thought, okay, I will take French and started learning French again. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect wife. I was going to the architect office to learn French. Thank you.
Everyone, myself K. Dipshika from class 8. Today I am going to tell a short para on the topic the computer game. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the computer game. Today, another human player gets a chance to match wins with our own computer MT2. Today, player is John Robinson from the Oak Street School. Feeling smart, John? Ready? Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jiyaguda. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am going to read the story of Ikan for the next class. The small break before the next class was enough for the children. They moved around and started chanting. The mandatory 5 minutes was over and the teacher did not come. The children start wondering, Ramya, do you think Janaki teacher is absent? Ramya looking out of the classroom said, how do I know? A few students were crazy. Everyone knows Ramya loved the Janaki teacher who teach them social studies. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is G. Swaruni. I am studying in 8th standard. I am telling about the story of Ikat. Janaki said, in Ikat, the threads are carefully woven and weft into burns, then tied with locally available waterproof materials like plastic sheets, rubber foam cards, and bicycle tires, then dropped into colors. Once you untie it, you can see white threads dotted into colors at intervals. Ravi said, teacher, how do they know where to tie? Janaki smiled. The threads indicate the design we want. We can look at a design or a tie. Ravi looked puzzled. It not be seem simple. Thank you.